My top altcoins to trade soon will be the altcoins my software will alert me by calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. We just made 444%. Guys, 444%. We trade Georgian token, Aptos, Primal, SUKU, Polytrade, Crypterium, guys. We focus in volume, guys. Take a look at this volume here on Aptos, $1 billion. Primal, $5 million. SUKU, $10 million. Polytrade on the last hour, $1.5 million, $18 million. Guys, if I made $44,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. First trade recap. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. When you become a member, I will teach you a strategy to trade Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Okay, this strategy is swing trade. We use day trade to trade pumps, and we use swing trade to keep our money increasing. Okay, I'm tracking the swing trade too. My watch list, I have the main cryptos here. Guys, when you become a member, I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, by the way. And by the way, I will teach you how to use this strategy when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. You can use the same strategy to trade altcoins or stocks too. Okay, first trade recap, SUKU. I shared this trade in the private list on 18, guys, 18. When I shared this trade in the private list, the price was 0.053 cents, and you put a sell order 0.08 cents, guys. You made 60%. I made $6,000. Okay. Next trade recap, it's a Polytrade, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on 18. We bought this coin for 0.07 cents and you put a sell order at 16 cents, guys. I made $11,000 this trade, like I mentioned before. Before the pump, there is a pre-pumping volume, guys. I'm gonna move this. Oh, take a look at the volume down here. See how the volume changes. You don't see this volume with your eyes because you need a software to track the market 24/7. That's what we do. We track this market 24/7. Guys, pardon me for the background. It's my dog. He's asking me to eat. Okay, next trade recap is Crypterium, guys. 175% profit. I made $17,000 in this single trade, guys. Same strategy. Price go flat. I got a volume spike right here. Take a look at this volume, how much the volume changed. Take a look at this number right here. 1 hour before volume spike, the volume was $138,000 and the volume spike just to 817,000. That's how you make money, guys. You track this kind of move before happen. We buy low and sell high. When I shared this trade in the private list, the price was 0.088 cents and you sold right here 24 cents. I made $17,000 in this trade. I just made $44,000. Feel free to reach me out if you'd like to get those trades in real time. Give me a like this video, share. Let's trade together because together we are strong. The reason I share my trades in the private list, guys, because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Sorry for my dog here on the background. Take care. Bye-bye.